ana emaye fiti kakope enye ade eya na de be meka se omo so se match nti na fa ko se de be meka se bibi a won so be ma no so ye ana se bi a won nye ana na so le ma oba no ede eya sa de bi na nke unu sa de na na bi o ko na ma so de ase de bibi na ya ka wa se ma ka te go se afọ mbuye umfo obu maye umfo ni maye umfo wake maye mtie ye beka dia se ye wansa mo fa ye mbubi ma na fa ye so ya fa ye ho adu
therefore enye obere bia na ebu ni kwasia na say dem ye mu se eye mbebru o ma especially ngano ye fe bibi eye slay queen ye se wo mo tv ye wo mo de ji ade slay queen 1 emu 2 na 3 ni independent woman oba ache say the one ni die na ye what are locals 1 to 2 no na ni de mu no na che say ye ka wo ba ye obi a wo so be mani be ma tumi ye bibia e de ma wo ba Bema to me sign check. Bema na to me si fie de ma wo ba. Na bema na to me bibia for de ma eye edin oba. Na ni na we say mi bebre na pempre mo no. Wo ba ni bema to me tina se ne kanche ni order for a while for courtship na. Ni na wetimi bie se eye aware ana etimi bie se omo butimi mo se wo mu hia sa ema eye entitiye etumi ba wo ntem na etie for ye entia ye nya ne se eye business tycoon a woni wo ba ewo relationship mo na relationship aye wetumi esifie dia ma oba de na wotumi hu se relationship a ekọ echi na enum na ntawantawa kakra ba na abayiwe se wono ne de nya ade a wo betumi atena relationship ni mi chese wo jaya no na enu na be ma na nte ne ho ase na tie for one thing a wo to one ni ma wo ba ni se wo si wo jaya me de ne train na wo be wo ba nsu what is it train na wo be wo wo su se dia be ma no betumi nya control adwin honesa na tie for efie no be ma na ne do aba edin wo ba ni din mu tenya ade a obai se wo ko no betumi agi fe ntia no ti no wa bomodia akwa kofa eye chapter be ma na bomodia ebubu eye dan we pull dan down etie for eya we wo se na nsemu ya media betu da video ka we wo share for share dan eti wo fe na be mai anka wasie wie wenya kuku dress sika wenya se wie obey so come on only na dimpem agro de na wa ma pen na wo bubu dan ebu ase ne kwai dan na wo ka fam na adwenche no ye be kom binia ba eye ekua broliti misani faso binia ba wo mele dia wo mekesie ansana akwa ba no kra waje
so wo me o
akwa se bibia e fine ye do that na ni dia ba brain hey ye tumi esa
simsida
oba se won pe mu bie ma property a wa ya ama no utumi nje no tini bu ni bu fo
yeah more for esnobia na lentia say relationship so no time say ohwa o di edin bibia akwakoye oba ne de ntu ontimi nji enti nya be kan say ebi oba no we oba ne say oba see oba man for what the man has done because I don't know media una out but nothing proves that assassin your audience. Nothing proves that I know your audience. The better so by bit me you. Na ever win, I make us say, amount for Shada and say or more because say I make me because if anything is to happen in a relationship and you should not say two sides. So I say and I mean you should say be empty prepare AC. Oh, everything has a reason for happening. Nothing just happens. So now Obian who doesn't do anything without a reason. I don't know whether communication was lacking or they were lacking communication in the relationship. That could be the problem. But I'm sure I said day in, day out, what's a my casa? Anna and my pity prakope enye again. And the because Omo sorry say March in tin and fine because the bibi a won so be ma no so ye anase bi a won ye ana na so le ma oba no ye sa de bia na nke unu sa de na na bi o ko na ma so de ase na bibi na ya ka wa sa ma ka te go se afo umbu ye umfo obu ma ye umfo ni de ma ye umfa wa de ma ye ntie ye be ka dia se ye wan sa mo fa ye umbu ma na fa ye so ya fa ye ho ade. We are like that. Inti ebetimi aban say these two relationships, you know, there was something that the man was doing and I said something that he should be doing but not on it. And it could be say the reason why I am using could, you know, is because there is no certainty to the story. The lady did not tell us exactly the reason why I on it or cast or the so I'm only thinking about the possibilities. And as I'm saying we are not here to judge anyone, but we think about the possibilities of things happening and how to help people that are actually in such situations. So Obi Oshe Bianwan and Kase JJ and man just that throwback that one fall through and they should become on this and like let's all together think about the other possibilities of things like this happening. Intimate kind of there could be say ebia so na make say my enye ade fiti preocupe enye ade one said maybe a mama nika say my complain ana kasa do ana we are na dey anyway but ebia nka ye kasa no ana we ye one day ana we tie asema ye kana they would have come to know some of the things that are really prior to the relationship perhaps or more failing at. Okay. So what is because oba we say oba be treat ya and oba ka say dia me jai relationship na it is probably because of something that you yourself you are also lacking at or something that you used to do and enhancing relationship it enhances the relationship for example when na and now the man you are failing at doing that particular thing which is perhaps drawing or bringing all of these problems. In the Abraham here complaining and Kabema Nebenya Pine, I can say, yo, Obano Kasa, but Mammy, for this moment, this day, ain't see exactly what she has actually been talking about. I won't say every day in the things that we always complain about. Ultimately, say, well, yes, so we can't be people as some to the other. Into the things that we normally most of the time complain about. Those are the things that are really, really important to a woman. Into all kind of man. What the was a man for one day out of your busy schedule and out the man in a see and say, so there is this thing that I'm doing, or there is this thing that I'm doing that is perhaps worrying my lady, or this thing that I'm not doing, which is also bringing problems. No one says, not together, if you're moving up, my bomuna for the near say, and reaching relationship now back to its normal. And I said, even further, to its betterment, you would have come together to do it. But here is the case where men have come to agree that we as women we like nine and so and then they be around there almost share some more say oh remember friends or no cassava or more other relationship they freely say this so as I say almost share some more so you spreading this also in some yes say akwala o share akwala there and you want to repeat what akwala na do no into the more you start spreading this and the more you talk about it that is what your brain happens to accept. It's you accept to say women naturally are naggers, they like nagging, they like talking a lot. So therefore the things that they talk about are not things that should be any matter of interest or any subject matter. And yeah, this is you accepting the fact that only the local air company something. about something that you will not pay attention to. But these are the things that are worrying the lady, and these are the things that could possibly be her reason for what, for leaving the relationship.
You na me aba ye hwe no me hwe efa a waka na che say mbema no contribute bebre to a separation of
It's both sides, and then remember pen and your
relationship.
but Obani react to say you can only conclude say Obani or fault perhaps, and maybe the man is looking over, and maybe there could be certain faults. Also, in every relationship there are things that as Nobia need the things that they can handle. It's as Nobia things that they can handle in the relationship. Certain things can be looked over, but certain things you can't just tolerate them. So you complain about them, expecting changes. So as you keep talking about it, not change his name, value. I said I am a candidate. What is life without happiness? And see, other than you just don't move on.
Okay, but you actually say, say Beman, or say, or Barman, what's mine? I make me a sifi at the amount, and I so said, would I come soon? Now, would I come sweet? I said, Bibiania, see a whole relationship to me. Now, see, would I? Just a macanca would I, not just a passia, and I will pursue Bruno, I see a woman after so Bruno. And everyone is a Beman, son or moon, or two, and I said, there be an assembly yard, dear, ma a year obey you so young.
So says I know who now or the two and I'm one year. That could be it. Also we are broken heart neighbors will be understanding or reacting to that could be his reason. But say say Obana Buno Pasian or also now no say they don't Obana Pasian at a certain point in their relationship. Say me no say na America or emphasizing on the same thing that I was talking about. Say me no problem our relationship and there is something we are call and change or say we kind of say like there is a mistake or there is a flaw in the relationship where I feel it could be a major problem in the relationship. Now I can't want to say female and then obi a wato if you am obi keke na the person react say if you want any happy no na obeka so obu kwase but so we are for obu ni die man no so ebu ne kwase say what I say relationship is about sacrifice and most of the time if you must know we are sacrificing into a relationship if you materials and there is material things of the world ebi mo so die time ebi mo so die emotions and obi an the emotions relationship dream nti ebi mo die side emotions nti ya fa ne say oba ne die na akwakoye the time emotions plus other things bia oye nti say may invest this in a relationship now why invest a house now and problems are coming up now because of that. And you expect me to explain myself in the relationship now because what's if you ever meet to chinchina, me no want to say bra, meaning once it doesn't make sense. It's impossible that way. So what she has to do to make herself happy, that is what no one is going to make you happy. Happiness any idea will be change any other to you.
But yeah, sure, when they say Obama, a tie and I want a year Beman because a dear sipping. What China Beman see fear the beer, and now bomb what the idea boss so on worry be. It's a positive side defend now a bit about some baby power they need that one year need see a pan, but I'm a tear and I want dinner. Now a be a new bee and a Beman ain't be a money to sana because before people break it again. One Kaiser man have a time before. Do you get it? Before people to me, yes, I'll be on one than a sweat to see. Not just say in some way.
There is a possibility like that, but before members, that story now, man, can say, or no, or see then you will see that you be 1 year prepare Obama. Again, one say, we kind of story. Me, when you are telling me your story, I just sit down, listen, and laugh about it. Now, I don't judge the other party because they tell on the story. So what I say, and a story, no other can, or other can that they say, no, the baby, ọba baby or yeah man, but if you don't be do or one uncle on you. Every cry now become cry and then you say no one to play the part. One someone fat one to cement. One bomb one to us here. If you now do seek a AC that don't know or she if you once I sacrifice but when now when you free. It's I don't judge the other party. But remember the possibility of ladies yes which happens every time day in day out. Now me American say Okafa Obana say materialistic. I'm sure the men know. Oh, a man dear, you discuss any day. Remember, won't discuss almost 1 year. It is I don't want to say, oh, yeah, I won't discuss for man, please. It's all a lie. I just deceive yourself. At the end of the day, I don't know tomorrow. High down, lights in now benefit. So don't be deceiving yourself. Now, maybe as a me, so you know, as a woman like money naturally because in money you want your adults. Open say Obano addresses Oslias and use the Nancy na your way look as Obano say is come. Open say or looking classical is can. I mean, all of these things, open Obano beautiful in your way. Open and in is kind, you know. Obviously, the man your mother also definitely you will have to play your part as a responsible man. I know the also the best way to answer the family roots. And so but your limits. So what I say your limits. Or more find a man idea or more any man. Sometimes I blame the men for that. Therefore, on your she na baby baby now should be nothing. You understand? It's simply say about nothing. You bring up these kind of you expect people to praise you for these particular action. It's because over now also obani your materialistic now. Or too much you should know say or demanding too much the woman has a lot to learn. So what I say, and I wouldn't say, to me handle. She won't feel that particular relationship. I mean, in man doors, you can get anyone at all. Like you can get the same sex. I type now, but on the money, woman who do, but it didn't say. So what I say, it's I type now, but you definitely get that particular type or no on pescasa. It's you say you can't do it.
Fine, so open over or materialistic or physical. Who shall open? Who was it can be? Or looking good until I will pay.
Indeed.
Yeah. And so in this case, you know, who die? Now who die in your color pay. And also one pen one dressing man or looking good in my wife. I don't think you'll be happy. And they come on and say, I believe say Obani per dressing or person looking good. What is she looking good for? Herself and for you. It's established. If you have to open well, at least hand go hand come. Relationship is mutual. When you have, it's good to bless others. At times, and it's only the kind of relationship you are being a blessing. It's good to be a blessing to others. It's been with me, my side, you know. If you establish such a person, you will become a blessing to such a person. That's what we need. Only the life from later can fight. Then say you've been a blessing. It doesn't mean it's only no relationship more you will be more. You've lost. That's the last question. Yeah, my cat said that we say the father said this you yeah, so when you about relationship, I said what can't go around the question. When you about relationship, should you establish it? Oh, should you help it?
Oh yes.
Should you give to her? I said my casa found back the person according to the tale.
Yes. Only over me. I think the motive behind every relationship say only the bra accommodate. Until we establish a plus for you, but because I don't expect so much because there is nothing certain in this world and change is inevitable in the life of man. Until or be at at any point in time. Into oh yes, I know. Do it out of the goodwill, that's not out of expectation. Because high expectation, you're very disappointed and it's me and my best so disgracing at the end of the day. It is okay to establish a woman, but don't do it purposely just because you are going to live the rest of your life with this woman.
Okay.
So what I say, you are doing it for you on your own. People say, "Odo ban, person here idea, then the life it's nature." So what I say, but in a way say out of your own personal benefit. And then I say, and then you end up disgracing yourself. Nothing. She read the kind of woman was so agitated. Everyone said,
"Maybe you say about India, a champ, we do a cheer, and set so now, yen show. Berman, now was it the only solution? Was it the only solution?"
There was so much that he could have done, perhaps on letting this go. I mean, that could have been it, but Slobiani, the way I reacting to heartbreak, we can't really judge him for his reaction. But I'm sure the girl will know what to do. I don't care because at the end of the day, they investing into it. And we don't know what the lady did for the money too. So what I say.
Or final words in Burma, like name bound to control. As you said, they add to what happens to them. Final words, we are all to them. The empire is in Siam.
Yeah, I can say, I'm kind in my previous submission, there was nothing certain in this world. So what I say, until idea, do it out of your own good work. I feel so. Obi, and now only Obi our relationship now. What I expect you to do is not to give your all. Don't take in your heart. Obi to me the na drink. Maybe because what the heart better say what do because your mind is your whole self, your whole life. Into what do I drink? Emma Obia. This is you giving, like, this is you imprisoning yourself. So what I say, into for what drink and what woman in what they we have to cry now about our relationship.
Yo, I can't believe me. That's the plan over. That's I'm sure now. It's here for Miss Kaka no work on when say obia life move for a purpose. Say obi ba wa life ma o mbo bi afa bo am, but one thing I so say before I bet me abu obi man abro so now you have enough. What building will have enough? You've established yourself enough. It is a little Niawudiamani panel is just a little of you. Send your bear will feel a babu and come and quiet say, would you get in our show Barbie and our ballet disappointed? Would you be up for school? Our casa school in one copy there be. We don't do it like that. Make sure say one casa you are complete, you are doing well. You have enough to the stage that when the person takes something, it's just a little, it's just a surplus, it doesn't affect you and doesn't affect your future. I have them oversee. Discussion then I also work at home. I drink any day, or beer one I drink. What's with our dear? Fatu your comment section. Or subscribe to my G's or 1 year. But what did I like and share and promote to my G channel with? Send your better and I'm we didn't have any messy crowd and I'm the year in the town. We were so more. I had a good business and the best one is my account.